Did you know that when times get tough, people get creative with their money? At Outcome Enterprise Tire Shop, Teddy and Eddie were about to learn this lesson the hard way. It started with Mrs. Johnson, a school teacher who needed new tires but was short on cash. She offered to tutor little Ted in math instead of paying. Then came Chef Williams with a trunk full of homemade barbecue, asking if he could trade lunch for the crew in exchange for tire work. Soon, the 24-hour shop became the neighborhood's trading post. A carpenter built custom tire racks for storage space. A farmer brought fresh vegetables every week for tire repairs. Shorty joked that they were running a grocery store instead of a tire shop, while Kareem learned to balance tomatoes and tire patches on the same scale. Teddy and Eddie had to figure out fair trades while keeping everyone safe on the road. They discovered something amazing. When neighbors help neighbors, everyone wins. The community grew stronger, bellies stayed full, and cars kept rolling. Sometimes the best payment isn't money at all.